Here's a Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is go ahead and turn it on. You have the power button here. Press and hold until it turns on. Once it turns on, you should be at a welcome screen here. And from here, you can choose your language. Just tap that down there and choose the language you want. I'm fine with English in the United States. So I'm going to tap on Start. It just said you can insert a SIM now, but what I typically do is after the setup, then I insert the SIM. And I'll make another video inserting the SIM after this setup is done, okay? And then for your review, you have, so go ahead and read through that. For me, I'm fine with all three of those toggled on, and I'm going to tap on Agree down here. Oops. Now you can set up using another device. If you have another like an Android phone, iPhone, or iPad, or a tablet, to copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet, keep it nearby and unlocked, okay? So if you have an Android or a Galaxy phone or an iPhone or an iPad, choose that or choose that, okay? But for myself, I want a clean install. I'm not going to copy anything from anywhere else. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Skip. And now I'm going to go ahead and choose my Wi-Fi network. You can skip the Wi-Fi and do it later, but I'm going to go ahead and connect mine now to get that latest update. Put in my Wi-Fi password. After you enter your Wi-Fi password, tap on Connect. It says connected right there. Right there, connected. Getting your phone ready. Now it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more, okay? So if you have another device where you want to transfer all that from, you want to go ahead and just tap on Next right here. And you will need an old Android, iPhone, iPad, or a tablet. If you have that, click on Next, okay? But for myself, I'm going to click on Back here, and I'm going to put Don't Copy. I want a clean slate on this phone. It's asking you to sign in with your Google account, basically your Gmail. You can sign in now, you can create an account, or you can skip like I am, and then you can sign in later or never sign in, up to you, okay? And here's Google services, and all three of these are optional. Use location, allow scanning, send usage diagnostic data. So that's up to you, okay? For me, I'm fine with all of these toggled on, and I'll tap on Accept down here. Protect your phone. So these are basically passwords: Face ID password, fingerprint password, PIN password, password, pattern password. You can always skip this, but I would advise at least do one of them, okay? So for myself, I'm just going to do the PIN here. So I'm going to tap on PIN. It's just a 4-digit. And now let me choose my PIN here. Actually, it's 6-digit, sorry. And then once you put it in, you can tap on Continue. And then reconfirm one more time. And then tap on OK. Now you can always go back later on if you want to do the Face ID or the fingerprint or the regular password or pattern. You can always do that later as well. Review additional apps is only giving me one option. So for me, I'm fine with having the Samsung TV Plus. I'm going to tap on OK. That's optional, of course. Okay, so there's a Samsung account. They're asking you to go ahead, find your lost phone even if it's offline. So you can go ahead and sign into your Samsung account, or you can create an account, or you can go ahead and skip it and you can go and sign in later or never do it, okay? For myself, I'm not interested in using it at all. I'm just going to go ahead and skip all the way. Samsung services, now all these are optional, okay? So go ahead and read through these and toggle whichever one you want, okay? I'm fine with all three of these on. I'm going to tap on Agree. Choose your display preference. Do you like the light or do you like the dark, okay? Most of you guys will probably like the dark. I like the dark as well, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on dark. Click on Next for myself. You're all set up. Let's tap on Finish right there. And voila, we are in business here. And the next video, I'm going to go ahead and insert my physical SIM card. If you want to know how to do that, look in the link below, okay?